Hello again, it's Noob, and it's Black Friday weekend in 2025, and I thought why not make a very quick video on some of the Black Friday lockpicking deals out there at the moment in no particular order. Let's start with the ever popular Covert Instruments, and they do have a Black Friday sale where they've got a number of items on reduction. So you can see here we've got things like the Genesis lockpick set and the Echelon pick set, which are a few dollars off, which isn't bad if you were going to pick them up. I do quite like the Covert Companion Pro offer here though, which is a $25 Covert Instruments gift card, which is a good way to get a little kickback from buying the Covert Companion Pro, which I do really like, if I was to be honest with you. It'd be nice to have had a little bit of money off, but a gift card isn't a bad compromise. And if you're looking for a couple of cheap bargains, then the quad comb set and the decoder bundle here for $8 each, I don't think it's too bad. Over to Lock Tools, and Lock Tools are actually offering over the weekend, I think, 25% off on a number of kits. There's some really good tools here. And I recently did a review of their comb pick set, which is incredibly comprehensive. So if you were ever looking to pick this up, now's a great time to do so. It's not necessarily the cheapest set out there, but it is by far the most comprehensive, and I was really impressed with this one. Moki Workshop actually has a Black Friday sale, and there's a lot of items which are reduced on Moki's site. And if you like Moki's stuff, then really do check out some of the stuff here. For example, picking up the Reverend version 2 pick set with all its hook lock picks and turners for a little bit cheaper if you're going to dip your toe into the water on Moki lockpicks, then again, a great little deal there. I've yet to review this, but Moki has a really excellent pick pouch, and this is, I reckon, a bit of a steal at just over €40. Now, Lockjaw Manufacturing is a website I have never ordered from, and I haven't really heard of them before, much to my discredit. And they do have a number of really cool sale items, which I definitely would recommend you checking out. Some t-shirts, lots of interesting merch. The one thing that stood out to me, and it isn't actually part of the sale, but is something I really want to have a look at, is this Book of Secrets lockpick case, because it just looks really, really good. And for $15, I know it's not a Black Friday deal, but I'm going to see if I can get hold of one of those to review. It looks great. Now, I like PickPals in Australia because they have quite good shipping, considering they're almost the other side of the world from me, and they have a good range of stuff and quite decent prices as well. And at the moment, they're 25% off store-wide with no minimum spend, which I think is just great. They also have a whole sales section with so much stuff going on there. It's just so much stuff. Definitely worth a look, especially if you're going to buy any sort of Sparrows products. I would probably look here first to see whether it's a good price compared to where you can buy it normally. UK Bump Keys has a Black Friday deal on a number of different items, and it's definitely worth having a look through this. There's 30% off on a number of different things. I know a lot of people like the Praxis dual gauge lockpick set, and this currently is on pretty decent offer. So again, if you are looking to buy one of these sets, then definitely a good time to do so. If you like your Peterson lockpicks, then you might look at their website and think there is no Black Friday deal, but if you are on their mailing list, then they did mail out a coupon code for 25% off on their Black Friday sale. Lockpickers Bench has a load of cool stuff from lots of different manufacturers, and they're offering 10% off for all orders with a code, or 15% off for orders over $200. They offer lots of cool and unique items from places like Moki Workshop and Multi-Pick and Zeofix or Vent. Definitely worth a look in if you're looking to get a little discount on some of those kind of things. And finally, Lockpick Pros, who offer those carbon fiber handle lockpick sets, do have a Black Friday sale still going on at the moment. And they have some modest reductions on a few items, like their trainee set and their original carbon fiber pick set, which they now have a version 2 of. So there you go. I hope you found that useful. I know that a video like this is very much in the moment and very short dated. The sales will end very soon, probably today, if not Monday, or maybe into early December if you're lucky. And I don't know what stock any of these sites still have left. I also tried to look across all of the lockpick manufacturers, including like Southall and Sparrows and Cloaked Entry, and not everybody has a Black Friday sale. But if you know of any that I've missed, then please do indicate where they can be found in the comments below so other people can access those deals. I may well have missed some really good ones out there. So yeah, a bit of a community effort would be really appreciated there. So there you go. If you like this video, then please leave a like. If you haven't subscribed, now's a great time to do so for more content like this. If you have any comments, like I said, do put them down below. I'd really like to know what other deals are about. And of course, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.